Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are enjoying the series of videos in advanced product quality planning and production part approval process. So today we are going to we have completed all the 5 phases of the APQP as per AS 9145 for the aerospace industries. So today we are going to discuss the production part approval process file content, which is important deliverables. So we will look at different elements of the Ppap, those goes as the different deliverables. So first one is the production part approval process file deliverables are the design records, which comes from the APQP phase 2, and then design risk analysis, example DFMEA only applicable to the design organization, that also comes from the APQP phase 2. Process flow diagram, which we discussed in the APQP phase 3, that comes from the phase 3. And then the process failure mode effect analysis, PFMEA, DFMEA and PFMEA are very important deliverables. This comes from the phase 3. Control plan, this is from the phase 3. And then measurement system analysis, MSA, this is from the phase 4. And initial process capability studies, CP case, comes from the APQP phase 4. And packing prevention, preservation and labeling approvals, this come from the phase 3. And then important deliverables, deliverable number 9 is the first article inspection report, comes from APQP phase 4. And then the customer Ppap requirements, that comes from phase 4. And then the 11th deliverable from the Ppap elements are Ppap approval form or equivalent. There is a standard form for the Ppap approval. All these are the Ppap deliverables that need to be recorded and then delivered. So these are the major elements of the Ppap deliverables. Production part approval process elements, these are also called as popularly Ppap elements. So these are the major 11 deliverables coming from different phases of the APQP into the Ppap file. So this is what we call it as Ppap file, which comes from phase 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's where your records, design records got starts getting recorded. Hope you enjoyed this series of sessions on APQP and Ppap. So we will be having a detailed study of each of these elements, because each of these elements itself by itself is a subject. Like for example, design risk analysis, DFMEA, process flow diagram, PFMEA, control plans, MSA, all these are by itself is a subject. How do we conduct a first article inspection, customer Ppap, all these are subject by itself. So we will have a different sessions on all these things. Hello friends, hope you enjoyed the today's session. I would like to request you all to subscribe, share, like, and then if you have any comments, please leave your comments. So keep watching my channel, enjoy the new learnings, and wish you all the best for your career. So, till then, take care, stay tuned, see you with the next video. Bye bye.